separated.
Didn't notice
Anything else I
that.
tell you?
No, I just was on that. It was like the saddest thing she's
They
ever seen.
separated from her heart. So all the blood rushed into her lungs, and then the mother found her bleeding from the nose and the mouth.
They didn't,
She drowned in the
Maddie.
hospital.
they didn't suspect anything wrong with her?
The report came back from the hospital that that's what happened. That's why I asked you, like, did they check everything?
Oh, God bless you.
Yeah,
So they did the same thing with her. They checked everything before she left. And
they actually did it twice.
okay, they were putting stuff together. The father's friend, and the mother were putting baby furniture together. And the mother said, "I'm gonna go check on her." So after that, and she went upstairs and found a scream at the top of her lungs.
That's what she